Alright friends, now we are going to learn about relational operators. So what are these? Equals, so not equals, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. So relational operators compare values and they return true or false. We use it mostly in if statements and loops. Okay, let's start by equals operator. I come here, I have two values, a and b. I want to check if whether a equals to b. So I'm checking. If it is, it returns true. If it is not, it returns false. So as you see, they are not equal. So it returns false. I compile it and run it. You see false appears on the screen. I change my b value. I made it 15. So I run again. They are equal, so it returns true, as you see. If I want to check they are not equal, I use not equal operator. I'm checking, but they are equal, so it returns false here. So I save it and I run it. You see false appears. If I take it back, b equals to 7, they are not equal, so it returns true. So I run it, you see it returns true. So let's control greater than or less than operator. So I use greater than operator. A greater than b. Let's check it. Yes, so it returns true. I run it, you see it returns true. I change it. A less than b. If I want to check, you see it is not, so this return false. I run it, you see false appears on the screen. Similarly, I can apply less than or equals. Normally it is not. 15 is not less than or equals to 7. But if I change it, b value to 15, if I run it, you see true appears on the screen. So in relational operator, if this statement is true, it returns true. If this statement is false, it returns false. So we will use this relational operator in our exercise so many times. So it's so important topic. Don't skip it without understanding. Super.